Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. And if you're listening to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use the gestures on your earbuds, and gestures located, touch areas located at the back side, between the dot at the top and dot at the bottom. You have like middle space, and this one is touch area, so you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can use ambient sound control, you can volume up and volume down the music, and you can customize it in the application. You need to open the Galaxy Wearable application and then go to touch controls. And by default, double press and triple press disabled, so you need to enable it. And you can do this in the application. Also, we have press and hold, and right here by default it used to switch between ANC and transparency, but you can set it to, let's say, volume control, because by default you cannot use volume control on it. Next one, this earbud support ANC, and you can enable in the application or by gesture. If you if you do not set it press and hold for volume control, you can swap between these modes. To enable it, your earbuds should be in your ears, and then you just tap on it or use a gesture. And right here we have ANC, and also when you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds, you can enable transparency mode. And right here also we can change ambient sound volume. You can increase it or lower it. Also, if you lose your earbuds, you can find them in the application. Right here under the earbud settings we have Find My Earbuds, and you can play a song or a sound for your earbuds, but your earbuds should be or inside the charging case and the lid should be open, or outside the charging case, because if we close the charging case, as you can see, we cannot use it, we cannot use the application, because your headphones should be connected with your phone. Also, you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer presets. You need to open earbud settings in the application, and right here we have at the first line equalizer, so you can you have 6 presets here, and this one is Bass Boost, my favorite mode, I use it. So you can also use it in the application. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.